Hello everybody, I've got a treat for you today. I actually wanted to show you one of the classics that we actually have in our showroom, and you're really going to like this. Wait till we get on the inside and see this thing. What we have here is a 1951 Plymouth Cambridge. It does have a slant 6-cylinder engine in it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just take a little bit of time. We're going to do a walk around on the outside, then we'll go on the inside. We do have a local individual that actually restored this car. They actually done a very nice job on this. So we'll take our time, do a walk around. White walls are just classic on this thing. Just look at the rounded trunk on that. Talk about some curves on a car. And the bumpers on this is just exquisite. So show you the back of it here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and pop this trunk. We'll take a peek back here. Okay guys, here we are. Look at the space that is in this trunk. We'll get in here a little bit closer. You can see the spare tire on the right. So let's go ahead and continue to do our walk around. Okay, we'll continue to go around here and go on the driver's side. Once again, the curves on this is just incredible. Paint job is just absolutely stunning on this. I'm going to go ahead and open the back and we'll take a look at the interior. Okay guys, here you can see the interior on this. It's two-tone. You do have the maroon with the white. This is leather interior. I'm going to take a little time. Even the headliner, white, just absolutely stunning. Maroon color, burgundy color carpet is in very good condition. Door panels. So let's go ahead and take a peek up front. Okay, here we are. Taking a look up front, and before I forget this, I wanted to show you it does have the side wing windows on both sides, and you even have those in the back. But here you have the same two-tone color for your door panels. It is a 3-speed manual transmission. So show you the clutch, brake, gas down here. So let me go ahead and hop in here and we'll take a look. Okay guys, here we are on the inside of this. I mean, this is as classic as it gets. And I want to get up here, get a little bit close on the instrument panel. Now, it's showing 35,108 miles. We cannot confirm or deny that those are actual. Let's go on over here. Cool emblem that is on this. Now it does have aftermarket stereo. I don't think JVC stereo was made back in the early 50s, so that was put on aftermarket. Nice gauges on here, oil, temp, and your amps. And continue over to your glove box. But just an absolutely stunning car. So rear view mirror up here. So anyway guys, I hope that you enjoyed this tour, 1951 Plymouth. And if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call up here. Area code 740-992-4443. Have a great day. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, before we actually conclude this, I do want to pop the hood on this. I've already got it popped. You can see the space right there. So let's go ahead. I do want to show you the engine and the bay before we go ahead and end this. Okay guys, here we are. Got the hood popped. Slant 6. Get up here a little bit closer. Show you what everything looks like. The original tag on this. Get here and show you the radiator. Back off a little bit, show you the exterior. And there we have it. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Have a great day.